In this tutorial, we'll go through the process. Of sketching and extracting some outlines from the scan model. In some applications, people do not wish to reconstruct the full surfaces, but rather have an outline for building the parts. Here, with an object of our interest, we can start by clicking the 2D sketch tool. We can see a plane appears. We can adjust the height of the plane by simply click and drag the arrow on the plane until we find the features of our interest. Once we're satisfied, we can click the Create to hide the model and only leaving the features. From here, there are several tools that we can use to create a sketch. We can use the Rectangle tool to create a rectangle by clicking 2 points on the rectangle. We can also use the Add Circle tool to add a circle by clicking 3 points on the circle. We can also use the Add Circle tool to add a circle by clicking the center point and find the perfect radius and click OK to form a circle. We can also use the Add Arc tool to draw an arc by clicking 2 endpoints and find the arc. We can also use the Add Line tool to create a line. Once we're done, we can use the Modify tool to modify. Notice those 2 points are not joined. We can use Auto Join to auto join 2 points. We can also select by clicking the Modify tool, drag select the rectangle, and click the Duplicate tool to duplicate the entire rectangle. We can adjust the place by drag the arrow on the rectangle. And once we're done, we can click Accept to create a new sketch of the new rectangle. We can also use Modify to click the points at the size of a rectangle and other parts. If you don't like the sketch, we can select the sketch and hit the delete button on the keyboard to delete the sketch. We can also use the Measure tool, Dimensions tool, to measure the size of our sketch. Once we are satisfied, we can click OK to keep the sketch or use Export to export the sketch to IJS file, since other sketch format is not supported. Then we can see the sketch. And we can also export from here by clicking Export and export our parts as IJS file and click Save for our sketch.